What's up, my YouTube friends? Hope you're doing well on this Wednesday, middle of the week. Hope you're having a good week, and I hope you have a good rest of your week. This is a double reminder for you. My first reminder is for questions from the truck. If you have any questions, model railroad related, woodworking related, put them in the comments below. I will try to get you answers from you, the viewer. And I appreciate those questions, and I appreciate those of you that take time to help get answers to these questions. My second reminder is for the Community Roundhouse Bloopers, the Measure Once, Cut Twice episode of the show, where yours truly will be, I don't know what I'll be doing, but I'll be doing something. I don't want to say mocking you, because I don't want to do that. Encouraging you to send in your blooper videos, because we'd love to see them. We all make them. Share them. Don't hide them. Have the courage to share them and let us all laugh. I'll be putting a link to the Community Roundhouse below. You'll go over there, click the Get Involved tab. You can also send in your videos on your layout, photos, updates, milestones on your channel, announcements for your channel. We all want to hear them and see them. This is about the community, and that means you, the viewer. So we look forward to seeing you. Until then, be well, God bless, and we'll see you on the next show. Hey, little train after this. I promise it's a short train. Not like the last time. Take care, be well, God bless you. See ya! Chester Secondary, under the catenary again. So doing some work out here on this line, overhead work, track work, so the trains should be going by pretty slow. What's up, the dude up there? Is that supervisor? These cars are all empty for the most part, yeah. That's it, man. Enjoy your day. That's it.